Hello, gonna make some grilled cheese sandwich with a little bit of twist. I'm gonna add some bad boy kimchi in it. But first, let's start with some bad boy butter. So, I think that's a bit too much. Let me remove my butter first. Okay, so I'm making 2 portions of grilled cheese sandwich. So I'm gonna put one of them in first. Rub it around just to make sure I get butter around it. So I'm making 2 portions of this bad boy, and this video is going to take quite a while, probably 15 minutes, because grilled cheese sandwich is it takes forever to make, and so yeah, so you're gonna have to bear with me. You're gonna be bored to death, but well, sometimes you have to be very patient, especially with, something delicious. Yeah. So I'm just gonna toast one side and then flip it around just to sort of make this bit warm. I'm gonna make it warm so that my cheese can melt. So speaking of cheese, I'm gonna slice up some cheese. Over here I got some cheddar cheese, and just slice it, thinly slice it, just slice it, slice that bad boy up, slice it. So making 2 portions, so I'm probably gonna need quite a few, and it's never enough cheese. So I'm gonna slice quite a bit. Should have used a bigger knife, but I'm too lazy to use a bigger knife. I can just use this little cutie knife, and just gonna slice them up. I think. Not yet. Not yet. The bread, the toast. What do you call it? Bread or toast? Let's call it bread, because I'm not using a toaster. So the bread is still not crispy on one side. I'm trying to make one side crispy and warm and hot. What do you mean warm and hot? Aren't they the same thing? Okay, I'm trying to make one side hot, and then I'm gonna flip it around. I'm gonna put my cheese in there, and then it'll start to melt. And yeah, do you think it's enough for 2 portions of cheese? Not 2 portions of cheese, 2 portions of sandwich. I think a little bit more is not enough. And this thing is not gonna be very healthy. You will see it soon. You'll be like, oh my god, shit. Oh no, Okay, good, beautiful. Now it's like hot and crispy on one side. Now I'm gonna lay your cheese. Lay your bad boy cheese. Oh yeah. Lay them out. Lay them out. Out. Lay them. Okay. I've got a cheese. Now for the special ingredient. Special ingredient is kimchi. I'm gonna add some bad boy kimchi. So I'm gonna pull it out. Boom. Be very patient. You just want to put like a layer of it. Same for the other one. Just a layer. Oh no! Layer your grilled cheese sandwich. Oh, I forgot something. I forgot to add butter on the other side. Oh no! This is a car crash. This is a car crash. It's okay. Ah, I should add cheese on the other side too. Ah! I'm a genius. First I forgot my butter. Then I forgot my cheese on the other side. What else am I gonna forget? Oh. And here you go on the other one. The reason I'm moving it around so that the butter sort of coat the bread evenly. And now let me slice more cheese for the other side. Not too much, because one side is a lot. So the other side is just to stick the kimchi with the other end. It's a bit too thick, but yeah, it's gonna work. Boom. Boom. Okay. Keep my cheese to one side. And now the next stage will involve quite a bit of butter, and you'll be like, oh my god. So just check the bottom. I think I need more butter. Why? It's never enough. Never enough. Butter on one side. Off you go. Oh yeah, keep your heat medium to low. You don't want to burn your grilled cheese sandwich. It's very easy to burn, and you want to be very patient. You want to slowly toast it. You know, slowly toast it. Be very patient with it. Okay, and make sure it's flat on the pan as well, so that it gets an even browning. I'm gonna check just in case. I'm gonna keep my heat a little low just in case. And yeah, it's browning quite nicely. Let it brown a little more. How about the other side? What about the other one? Yeah, not bad. Don't know if you can see it, but they are browning real nice. Just a little bit more, and I'm gonna flip it around, and I'm gonna add more butter again, because you want to brown the other side too. I think, ooh, I'm gonna flip it around. Okay, as you can see, it's not really well brown. It's brown in the center and on this side, and this bit they're not brown. Let's flip the other one. Same thing. That's because on the edge of my hand it's not really hot enough yet. Ooh, such a pain. Never mind. I will turn it around and start browning it again. It's all about that even browning anyway. Add some butter here. Some butter on the other one. Add it to the sides. You must be thinking, oh my god, that's a lot of butter. If you skim on butter, you're gonna skim on life. It's not worth it. As you can see, I'm trying to move it around, get all the butter in. Ooh. I'm gonna brown on this side, and then once it's ready, I'm gonna flip it around. Okay. It actually smells really good. You can smell the cheese, the butter, the bread, and everything nice, you know. Now let's have a quick check. Yep. I'm gonna flip it around so that I get an even browning. Yep. slowly but surely. You've got some cheese leaking out of it, that'll be nice, and then you get some nice fried cheese, and it's delicious. Boom. Boom. Ooh, look at that bad boy. Ooh, let's check. Yep, it's browning quite evenly. So I'm gonna flip it one more time, and so that it brown on the other side. On this unbrowned side, if you can see it. And that'll be all. That'll be good enough. And here we go. Another side. Another side. As you can see, it's not brown evenly again. You can see there are white bits here. Ideally, you want like to put a weight on it so that it browns evenly. But it's okay. It's okay. Maybe next time I'll show you like how to make like properly crispy grilled cheese sandwich. But this is simple enough. It's good enough. Usually I get some smaller bread, some, you know, probably half the size of it, and I'll use this and a bowl to like press it down so that it browns evenly on the other side. Okay, let's check. Oh yeah, I should add some butter on that side too, so I get some even nice browning. Okay, I'm gonna add a little more. Should I? I think it's good enough. Yeah, look at this. Ooh, look at this bad boy. Okay. I mean, it's not really that brown. It's not brown evenly, but this is a healthier version. I think this is good enough. Next time I'll show you like a properly brown grilled cheese grilled cheese sandwich. Nope, that's fine. Although it's not perfect, but it's good enough. Ooh, okay. Okay, so cut into triangles. Now I'm gonna do the cheese pull, but before you pull it, what you wanna do is you wanna press it down on the sides. Just press it down so that the middle sticks. Press it down, and then you pull. Ooh, oh, it's a fail. Hold on, I'll do the other one. I want to show you the cheese pull, or maybe I don't have enough cheese. Okay, that was a fail, and hopefully this one is a success. Let me press it in. So you press it so that the middle sticks, and then you pull. Okay, bye bye.